Welcome back to Rainbow Playtime. Today we are going to be opening this pack of Pokemon cards, and this is an ultra premium collection and it includes a bunch of different things. It's really cool. So let's see. And these are hard. We're having a hard time getting Pokemon cards, but luckily we got these ones. So it has these three that are really cool. I really like the Lapras there. I'm going to set those down. And it comes with a holder for those cards. Oh. That's really cool. We'll set that off to the side. Comes with all these little dice and coins. Ooh. And these energies, like shiny ones. Oh, and there's a holder for your cards. I'll take all these packs out. So there's a closer look at those. It's really cool. Set them away. It comes with a deck box. I called it a card holder, but it's a deck box. And then it comes with this play mat. But you could also use it as a mouse pad. It's pretty cool looking. I'll set it over here. And yeah, this box is pretty cool too. You could put your cards in here if you want. Move that over here and we're going to open up these card packs. So there's a bunch of different ones here. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Maybe this one. So Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames. Go. Move that off to the side. So a Melton. I'm not sure how to say all the names for these, so we're just going to go through some of them. Lillipup. Oh, that one's cool. Looks like a flamingo. Ooh, I like this guy. Oh, we got a Togekiss. That looks nice. And then we'll do this one next. So Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift. That off to the side. Oh, I like this one, Swap Blue. Oh, that one's cute. Little spider. I like when they shine. Another energy. Oh, we'll do this. We'll do this one next. There's a lot of cards here. Usually we just open smaller ones. Might speed up some of these because it will be a long video otherwise. Ooh, I like Rapidash. There's a shark. Drifloon. Ooh, that one's cool. And a Melmetal. Ooh, that one looks really nice. Okay. Do this one. I'm going to speed it up a bit. Oh, love ball. Another energy. Oh. Ooh, that one's cool. A Steelix. And we'll do this pack next. Nope, Lechonk. Ooh, Rhyperior. That one's a nice card. Ooh, look at that Lapras. Oh, there's 2 cards stuck. Oh, that one's cute. We had an EX. And a Lapras. And then our energy. And then open this one. Oh, Vulpix. It's one of my favorite. Froakie. Oh, Kangaskhan. That's one of my favorite as well. Look at that one. We got another EX here. Oh, I'm gonna open this one. I don't think I showed the front of all of them. I think this is the most Pokemon card packs I have opened at one time. Look at that one there. These are pretty cool. Oh, and we got a Palkia. I like when they shine like that. Okay, we still have a bunch of packs to go. Out of the way. Flip this over. Litwick. Oh, I like that one too. Enhanced Hammer. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, it's an Arcanine. That's cool. I haven't seen one like that before. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. We've opened a lot of packs. Trubbish. Oh, Spinda. I think that's how you say that. Ooh, look at this guy. There's a little rainbow. There we go. Let's see if we have left. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's this one. I just have someone helping me pre-open them a little bit because it takes a minute to do. Oh, look, we have a little Pikachu here. Ooh, Scyther. I like that one. That's one of my favorites too. I like all Pokemon though, to be honest. Look at that one. I like that one, looks cool. And a Breloom. And I didn't even know that was a Pokemon. Iron Thorns. Looks like the evolution of Lavatar. I can't remember the name of that. Score Bunny. Oops. Ooh, this one's cool. That's like one of the full art ones. Another shiny one. We're getting down to it. I'm going to speed it up a bit again because we really want to see what the last three are. Because those are the ones you can get big hits on. Oh, we got another EX. So we have these left. We'll do, yeah, that's the evolution I was talking about. I can't remember his name. Oops. Oh, this one's cute. So is that one. And a fish. Oh, an Espeon. Oh, Combi. Zigzagoon. I think that's who he's a Darkrai. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck on the last few packs. Let's see if we can get something really good. Oh, no, it's getting stuck. A Wooper. Lechonk again. Houndoom. Gramble, I like that one too. Oh, we got a shiny Lechonk. And a Shuckle. Oh, and we got another EX. Clefable. Okay, so we have 3 packs left. So let's get something good. This is going to be a long video of opening Pokemon cards. If you're still here, Torracat. That one's like a moth. Oh, cool cards. Okay, now we're at 2. Oh, whoops. We have an Eevee. That one's really nice. And an Okaberry. Oh, and look at this one. We have an Lapras EX. That one is such a cool card. And now for our last pack. This is the last one. Let's see. Wish me luck. It's our last pack. Oh, Glaceon. I like those. All the evolutions. We have a Shinx. This one here. And a Frostglass. Nice. So those are all the Pokemon cards that we have for today. So thank you for watching our video, and we might do some more in the future if we can find some, because you know they're hard to come by. But we'll see you next time on Rainbow Playtime. Hope you have a good day. See ya.